Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tech, and I'm so grateful to have you here in this channel. Not wasting much of your time, I'm here to give us another update from the crypto world. I want to give us an update concerning NFT. So, if you are here, you are in the right place. So, we are going to be talking about NFT tokens, how to get it downright straight into your Blocto wallet. So if this is your first time of being here, please subscribe, like, share, and comment this video for more love. So let's begin straight away. So the first thing we need to do now is this: we need to get the tokens link. We need to get the tokens link, and to be able to do that, we need to open it up and we need to open it up. So actually the link might be very difficult to get, but I have the links down and I will also share it to you. Mind you, the tokens are limited, many people are getting it, so you must be fast. If this is your first attempt, you must be fast in claiming the tokens down to your wallet. So let's start straight away. Okay, so now we are going to open up our links. I will drop the links in the description buttons below, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more and to encourage me to be dropping more of the links. And also please make sure you follow up all the things, follow the video to the end. Okay, so the first thing we need to do now is to open up the links. I have the links down. Like I said before, I will post the link in the description button. So let me open the links now. So these are the links now. Okay, um let's see how we can be able to do this. Please follow up. This is Blocto NFT. If you need more of the tutorials, you can DM me on my WhatsApp number. I have the WhatsApp contact. I will send it on the description button. I will teach you more of this. Okay, because of time I won't do it here now. I'll make a video of it, so you should subscribe and follow up. So what are we going to do now? You need to open up one of the link. So let me open number 6 link. Okay, 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 let's see the links are opening. You wait for it to load, then you connect your wallet. I believe some of us, we don't have the wallet. If you are new to this NFT tokens update, you need to connect your wallet. Just the simple thing you need to do is just tap connect wallet. Okay, you can see it here. Then you tap connect Blocto, because that is the wallet you are going to use. Connect Blocto, then something will open. You wait for it to load. Say preparing your flow account. Okay, use Blocto account on float.city. You see, this is my wallet, this is my email address. If you don't have any email, if you don't have any wallet in Blocto, just tap use another account. As you can see here, use another account. You can tap it, then through that you can create your account using your email address. Then you actually gonna connect your account directly by confirming and approving. Then I will tap confirm, because I have my wallet down already. After tapping confirm, you can see that my wallet is here. Look at it here, it's right there. So how I need to do now is just go scroll down. You see where they will write claim this float. See, claim this float. Tap at it, claim this float. There's something will begin to load in the button below, initializing. I believe you can see it. Initializing. Then all you need to do now is to just tap approve. You can see this is the script of the transaction, but we don't need it for now. Just tap approve. it's a process. Then you wait a little bit. As you can see, the course is free. This token is free if you want to take access to it, if you want to have it. And if you can see it, it's remaining 30,000 token of this be to be exhausted. So many people have taken it. Up to 4,885 people have was taking this float. So if you are watching this video, you must be very fast in taking this update right down to your own advantage by making sure that you do and follow up the steps. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, as you can see, it is already claimed. It's a float claimed successfully. So all you have to do is just you need to just move out. Maybe you can continue more of this. Like you can continue to look you can continue to accumulate more of this by tapping anyone. Then you claim. If the processes are not actually hard, you claim. Then after claiming, let me tell you one thing. The easiest way again, if you don't want to use website, the easiest way is this. Just go to your Play Store and download the application. As you can see, this is the application right down in my phone. I have the application on my phone. If you can see it here, you can see it here. I have the application right now in my phone. So let me show you what to do. Just go to the Play Store. I will post the link. I will post the link to download the application. If you are watching this video, you can go and look for the link right down in my description button, in the description below. Okay, so this is the application. If you want to download it, download it for easier assessment. So just open it. Let me show you something. Open the account, open the wallet. I want to show you this wallet is new. So look at the ones I've collected that I have accumulated so far. I have collected up to four of these. As you can see, look at it here, 4. Okay, so let me tell you the tokens I have collected up to 4, and I have gotten up to 0.1 flow. I believe if you are here, I believe you make more than this by claiming all the tokens. So the tokens so far that have been approved is 4, which is this. Let me show you, which is this 4. So you can see that is it. So you too, you can do it. And if you want to learn more of this, come to my